Hello guys, most awaited budget 2021 has finally arrived. I have covered all the highlights in this series of videos and so that you can easily understand what's in this budget. In this particular video, I'm going to cover health sector. So first of all, we will see that what are the pillars of this budget. As defined by Finance Minister, there are 6 pillars of this budget. Number 1 is health and well-being. Second one is physical and financial capital and infrastructure. The third one is inclusive development for aspiring India. Then human capital, then innovation and R&D, and minimum government and maximum governance. Due to this corona pandemic, everybody has realized the importance of health sector. So this is as clearly it is visible that in the budget it is the first pillar. The second one is there is very much we can see the very much concern about the capital expenditure and infrastructure development is there, and every sector, I can say that every sector of the society is covered in this budget. So we can say that there is inclusive development, and human capital is also taken care of, and then there is innovation and R&D, and minimum government and maximum governance. Actually it is about the transparency in the system. So we can see that our tax system and other things require very much transparency. So it is talked about in this 6th pillar. So what are the highlights of this budget? First, this is the first paperless budget for Digital India. This is the first budget post-corona pandemic. This is the first budget of new decade, and this is a budget that will help for economy reset. Now, health and well-being. So, there is a total allocation of 2,23,846 crores for the health sector, which is a big amount, a huge amount, and 137% increase is there in the health budget as compared to the next year and as compared to last year. And this budget we can say is preventive, curative, and it is for well-being. And what are the highlights of this health sector budget is that number 1, various types of schemes have been launched and announced, and number 1 is PM Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana, and actually this 64,180 crore are proposed for this scheme. Then there is for nutrition, there is a scheme Mission Poshan 2.0, it is also launched, and for Swachh Bharat Mission it is Urban Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0, where waste management and other things are considered. Then there is Jal Jeevan Mission Urban, and also 35,000 crore for COVID-19 vaccine is also proposed by in this budget. So first of all, we will see that what is included in this PM Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana. So there is a support for 17,000 rural and 11,000 urban health and wellness center. Then 9 biosafety labs will be established. 4 institutes for virology will be established. Then there will be a setting up of integrated public health labs in all districts. Then 3,382 block public health units in 11 states will be established. Then establishing critical care hospital blocks in 602 districts and 12 central institutions will be established. Then strengthening of National Center for Disease Control. As you can see that during this corona session, due to this corona pandemic, National Center for Disease Control is strongly required. Requirement is felt. So strengthening of National Center for Disease Control will be there. Then expansion of integrated health information portal for all states and union territories to connect all public health labs. This is basically a step for digital India, because all public health labs can be connected, they can communicate easily through this information portal. Then 70 new PHU will be made operational. Then strengthening of 33 new PHU at points of entry, that is 32 airports, 17 seaports and 7 land crossings. Then Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat. Universal water supply coverage. This is the mission of this government, and for that there is a target of 2.86 crore household tap connection. And so for this purpose, Jal Jeevan Mission Urban will be launched. Then there is liquid waste management in 500 Amrit cities, so that we can see a clean India. Then vehicle scrapping policy for unfit vehicles. This is basically for reducing air pollution. And for the same purpose, for clean air, for reducing air pollution, 2,217 crores are proposed. You see, it's a big problem in India, pollution, and especially in cities like Delhi, Kanpur, it is a big problem. And then there is Urban Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0, and the total financial allocation is of 1,41,678 crores. So overall, this budget for the health sector, I think each and everything is covered, and environment is also considered, because this is also a very important factor in for one's health. And this water, clean water is also a very important factor for health. And the finance minister also she also described about this WHO, World Health Organization, that everybody should get this clean water, so there will be less diseases. So for this I think this is good. And Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat, we hope we will see in coming years a Swachh Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat and Swasth Bharat. Thank you.